ClickUp is much more than just a task manager, and would you believe it's extremely easy to set up. You don't need any complicated skills or coding. It's as easy to set up as 1, 2, 3. And believe me, once you have it set up and you're using it effectively, you will get so much more done in a day and stay super organized. Okay, enough chattering, let's do this. Okay, before we get going, you need to do a bit of groundwork. So it's a good idea to jot down on a piece of paper the areas you think you're going to use ClickUp for. In this video, I'm going to show you how I set it up for my content creation, but you can set it up for any aspect of your life or your whole life like I do. Okay, your workspace is called Everywhere, and this is where all your tasks will sit. If you're an individual user like me, then you'll only ever have one workspace. If you work as part of a team, then you might have different workspaces according to different areas of where your team works in your company. But let's focus just on solo use. You will see my other spaces in this video, so feel free to ask questions about those or stop the video at any time and see what I'm using ClickUp for. More than happy to share everything with you. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do within your Everywhere workspace, you're going to set up some spaces. These are the major areas of your life that you want to stay organized in. So I've created one that will be called content creation, and that's where all my content creation tasks, information, documents, whiteboards, everything will live in that space. Now, number 2, you can then add folders within that space if you need some more subdivisions. So I actually create content for 3 different niches. So you can see that I've got a separate folder for each one of those niches. And remember, one of the most important thing about ClickUp is its flexibility. So don't feel you have to get it perfect the first time. You can have a go, set it up how you think you want it to work, and then change it later on. And number 3, within each of those folders or spaces, you can start creating lists. And these hold all your tasks that you are going to do or need to do, or a recurring task, and they all sit within those lists. Now you can create multiple lists. So you could have one list for each of your different niches if you wished, or you could have one list that is focusing all on certain aspects of your content creation. So it might be long form videos or short form videos, so forth and so on. You can add as many as you want. You can change their color, their title, and you can even add emojis to make them look fun. And believe it or not, that's it. ClickUp is set up ready for you to use. You can add documents or whiteboards. It's completely up to you. And remember what I said, ClickUp is totally flexible. So if you feel that you want to change or your current setup is not working for you, then you can change it round. You can move the tasks to different areas, create new workspaces, create new folders. It is totally and utterly flexible. You can't go wrong with ClickUp. Hope that was helpful. Give ClickUp a go. You will not be disappointed. And if you want to see how to use subtasks to keep organized and get more done in a day, then watch this video next.